everyone, welcome to our job site. We're here in Welland at our Marigold project and we just finished up. Everything's passed, so we're going to show you a little right around. We're starting in the living room here. This is the new one that we installed with the large well. This is for natural light, not necessarily egress. As you notice here, it's got a big deep well for the natural light. Inside of a living room in your suite, you need 5% natural light. That's why this one was added. We already have this one in the additional light. If you follow us right here, you'll notice this is a solid door instead of a 6-panel door. This is a fire-rated door. It's a 20-minute wood door. And this leads into our furnace room. You'll notice that this has self-closing hinges on it to keep it closed in case of fire. And here we have our furnace. Sorry for everyone. This furnace had been replaced with a new unit, and then right here is our index smoke detector, which is part of the Part 11 of the building code, so that if smoke were to fill the ducts, this would shut it off and not spread it through the house. And here we replaced the hot water tank to tankless. We have our smoke detector, and this one is rated on the walls and not the ceiling. Follow me through here. Leading into the kitchen, I'm pretty happy how this kitchen turned out. The customer decided to upgrade the sink, so we got a little peninsula here. This house flows pretty well. So we just got our basic over the fridge, nice upgraded appliances, a little backsplash for a little style. The peninsula is real nice with seating for about 3 or 4. And yeah, pretty happy with it. Controlling back here. This space right here with another wood door leads into the electrical panel area. This one right here is a panel for the downstairs, and this is a disconnect that feeds upstairs because we have a separate panel upstairs with separate hydrometers. And in here, so we put this door, we have our nice stackable washer and laundry. Good location, shouldn't get in the way. And if you follow me this way, this leads over to the bedrooms and bathrooms. This was laid out quite nicely, so we decided to build a 3-bedroom unit. This is just one of the smaller bedrooms, single closet over here. And here, just a basic electrical closet. Each room has its own smoke detector to meet Part 11 of the building code for safety. As we walk down the hallway here, we just lead into the next small bedroom. This one I think is the smallest one of the bunch. Single closet, enough for a single bed. Walking down the hallway here, we got our nice bathroom here. It's nothing major. Nice little tile tub surround, deep vinyl tub, a nice gray vanity, a little style, a nice toilet. That's all you need. And if you follow me over here, this is our last bedroom. This is definitely the biggest of the bunch. We got a double closet over here. Room for probably a queen bed, and nice sliding closets here with the shelves. Nice wire mesh shelves and rods, so they got lots of storage. This project here was a little bit longer than normal. There were some permitting issues in the beginning with the city, which got solved out. We started this one back in summer. It took a little longer than normal, as I mentioned. He bought this property for a pretty good value. The total renovation budget, including upstairs and downstairs, was about $125,000. He decided to upgrade all the windows in this house. We did new kitchen, new flooring, new bathroom upstairs, a brand new suite, got it to the walls. This one's a little more closed off than usual because the wall that you see over here is actually a block wall that supports the home. It doesn't have a beam system, so that's why it was divided into 2 spaces with a small opening, but we did I think it turned out pretty well, and it keeps the bedrooms on this side of the same house as the upstairs to keep the noise down. So that's it for this project. We got plenty more to show you on our next ones, and for now, we'll see you next time.